Hey there, beautiful people. If you're looking for a game-changing product to take your hair game to the next level, then you've come to the right place. Today, I am beyond excited to introduce you to the 24 pieces professional hair wax stick for wig women men. This Non-Greasy repair smooth, loose broken hair artifact styling gel cream is a complete game changer. Let's talk about the amazing features of this product. Firstly, it is rich in beeswax, glycerin, avocado extract and other nutrients, making it mild, safe, and suitable for all hair types. This means that it effectively nourishes and repairs damaged hair, leaving your locks smooth and shiny. The light fragrance is just the cherry on top, helping you style your hair with ease to maintain a fresh and neat image. But wait, there's more. The small, lightweight wax wand is easy to store and carry, allowing you to style your hair anytime, anywhere. Plus, each pack contains 24 hair wax sticks 75G, ensuring that you have plenty of product to keep your hair looking fabulous. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to broken hair and hello to your best hair days yet, then click the link in the description to get your hands on the 24 pieces professional hair wax stick for wig women men. Trust me, you won't regret it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more game-changing products and tips. Let's slay those hair goals together.